The South West Londoners speak to Lib Dem candidate for Sutton and Cheam, Hina Bokhari.
I've been working with young people for a while now as a teacher. I've been a primary school teacher for 20 years, and I also started two charities for young people. I think it's vital that young people feel like they're being listened to, that they feel involved in their society. I've worked as a mentor, and while I'm doing the mentoring, I've noticed a real rise in mental health. There's a growing anxiety within our young people. It's a different feeling now with young people. I think this is something that I didn't notice 20 years ago that's definitely happening now. And that's why I'm really glad that the Liberal Democrats are treating mental health as equal to physical health now. And that's something that I think is a priority for young people. And when I was talking to somebody in the Glenthorne High School the other week, they were incredibly worried about Brexit. I think young people today are very worried. In fact, they even asked me whether Brexit meant civil war in our country. They can see how divisive our country is becoming because of things like Brexit, and they want us to be a country that is outward looking, international, allows them the freedom that I had growing up, where I can travel the world and see the world. And I want that for the young people now growing up in this country too. They deserve that right to vote at 16. They are incredibly active at 16. They are very well aware now in schools. The education that the young people are having makes them acutely aware of what's going on in the world. They know what the political parties stand for, and they're very aware of what they think needs to happen in this country and how we need to move forward. So the Liberal Democrats are fully supportive of letting 16-year-olds vote. And if that happens, that will change politics forever. Politicians will have to listen to what they think is important. And young people are telling me the environment is not a focus for politicians at the moment. If 16-year-olds were voting, the environment would become number one, and we would be completely focused on that. As a teacher and as a parent, I am very concerned about funding for our local schools and for our education system. The Liberal Democrats are fully backing more money for our education and our system, further education colleges, allowing young people to have a skills wallet so that they can spend money on their own training after school. These are things that I think young people want and they deserve.